Hello, I'm Jack, a third-year general physics student here at Lancaster, and I'd like to speak to you about why I chose to study here and what makes it such a great place to learn. The research-led department here at Lancaster provides an excellent level of teaching. Considered within the top 8 universities in the country on 3 of the top league tables, we extend this teaching from everything from quantum and low-temperature physics up to astrophysics and particle physics. Of course, it's important no matter what you study that it's right for you, and here at Lancaster our multiple degree options ensure that you can specialise where your interests lie. However, although you start on your specified degree, during your first year, physics, astrophysics and theory students actually all study the same content. This is to ensure that you develop the same fundamental skills and knowledge. Whether your interests actually lie in the tiny scales of particle physics or the massive scales of astrophysics, you can actually switch between them in your first year. Of course, in later years, you actually get to choose specific modules dependent on your pathway, and these allow you to really narrow down and get exactly what you want out of physics. This also means that there's an element of flexibility in the degrees at Lancaster. Part of what makes Lancaster such a supportive place to learn is actually the open door policy we have here. This means that if you're ever struggling with work, whether it's a difficult question or a topic that just isn't quite clicking for you, you can always go to a lecturer and ask for help. This can be by going to their office or sending them an email. However, given the atrium is such an incredible place to work, they'll never be too far away. Of course, every week you have lots of contact hours with your lecturers. These include lectures where you're actually taught the content you need to know for your degree, as well as feedback sessions where you go over the previous week's work. Of course, you get feedback throughout the course of your degree. This means that you can really understand where you need to focus more time on and where you're actually excelling. Of course, in the early years, we also set aside workshops. These are actually hours where you'll have some PhD students and the lecturer there to help in case you want to ask some questions one-on-one. In summary, what I found at Lancaster is a strong and friendly department that's actually supported me to find the physics that really interests me and what I need for my future career going forwards, while allowing me the time to participate in the hobbies that I really enjoy.